Top news headlines. CM attends Diamond Jubilee celebration of Namdalong. Victims of negligence in administration are ordinary people, says Minister Jayanti Kumar. And will take up steps to set up library for every district of Manipur, assures a Sivdas Sarma. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESSIA, giving you news in details. Chief Minister Biren Singh has said that there is need for mutual respect among different communities and equal development to maintain unity in the state. He was speaking as a chief guest at the Diamond Jubilee celebration of Namdalong village in Imphal East district today. And Biren Singh said that there have been immense positive changes in the Hill Valley Bone in the past 2.5 years. Now people have no hesitation and apprehension in visiting or staying at any parts of the state, the Chief Minister said, and added that people should never allow themselves to get carried away by any bad influence which may undermine the age-old fraternal bond in the days to come as well. Reminding the centuries-old relation between Kabui and Meitei communities, the Chief Minister said that the machete held by Kabui men in performing their traditional dance is used by the Meitei community as well in their Lai Harauba ceremonies. Regarding Indo-Naga peace talk, the Chief Minister urged one and all to pray for a peaceful and honorable solution acceptable to all. As a Manipuri, the Chief Minister said he does not want to see the state getting disintegrated in any manner. Regarding Citizenship Amendment Act 2019, the Chief Minister clarified that the act is not anti-Muslim and added that there would be no impact on the citizenship of Muslim brothers and sisters of this country.
Marakta lakpa nungsin na hummaga puhun gumse koi. Marakta lakpa arang ngaraki. Marakta lakpa ngahaki koi ba ithil na ne. Ekoi gi puwari gi igi siang ba ekoi relationship to hummaga manghan gumse hai bine ina thamingit. Ekoi masel nungsin na ba porok na ba. Ekoi masel amato ina lemin na ba gi wakulo se porok na ba idamta. Ai na hana sacrifice toga. Ai na hana khut tin thokpam thoe hai bise Manipur da leiba jati khudingman namase kaubam thokte naga gi issue tari ishwar khoram se khoi yamna peace soiba mawongda amagi interest soktana amagi ijat soktana santi hoina solution ma porokhibuda khoi mayam ge pamani.
Earlier, Biren Singh opened the two-day Diamond Jubilee celebration by lighting torch and hoisting village flag. Traditional dance and music were presented as part of the celebration. The dignitaries also released a souvenir published in connection with the celebration. Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Tamenglong Constituency MLA Samuel Jendai, and Wangkai Constituency MLA Okram Henry also attended the function as dignitaries.
Mama tongan ba lining launchet ki ihou lakpada kabui jati ki senglaba adugumba tinkau ragangi lining ase khara mirai rubugum tawi adubu hokhiba mapungena 1960s dagi horaga 70 gi adwaida de mutharuraba sidaruraba kabui jati ki chagangangai ngasidi yamna phajaba Manipur gi masak naiba matsek mangal leiba adugumba festival ama oidranga sidi yamna popular oire isili lauk singna akoi bada leiriba jati khudingmaka peace prosperity amasung unity haiba theme sida matam sangna mapung phana ataidasu replica oina puthokpinaba ngasigi sinbi langbiriba singi mafamda aina nolukbaga loinana appeal tawjari.
A one-day state-level legal awareness program on the implementation of the provisions of the Manipur Lok Ayukta Act 2014 was held today at the auditorium of the High Court of Manipur, Imphal. Manipur State Legal Services Authority, in association with the Manipur Lok Ayukta, organized the awareness program. Chairperson of Manipur Lok Ayukta, Justice T. Nandakumar Singh, presided the program. Taking part in the program, Law and Legislative Affairs Minister L. Jainkumar said that Lok Ayukta, or Ombudsman as it is called in the administrative law, is a public officer or institution whose function is to investigate the grievances raised by the citizens regarding maladministration of the government authorities. He further said that ordinary people are the victims of the negligence in public administration or wrong policy of the government or corruption by the government officials. To maintain the spirit of democracy, there ought to be an institution to oversee if proper policies are adopted. Minister Jainkumar further stressed on the importance of commissioning of Lok Ayukta under the Lokpal and Lok Ayukta Act 2013 in Manipur, which will materialize the real meaning of the democracy.
Ombudsman protects individuals from the injustice, and today by the three organs of the government: legislative, executive, and judiciary. The rule of law we should maintain, and we should forget that no one is above law. Corruption, as everybody knows, creates a sense of bitter feeling to everybody that keeps them at a distance from the decision makers. And this distance makes them feel abandoned or sometimes even rejected, and they eventually lose interest in public matters.
A two-day seminar on libraries at the crossroad, revamp, innovate and make sustainable, was kicked off today at Manipur State Archives, Imphal. The seminar is organized by Manipur Library Association, Mala, in association with Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Mala President Kangjam Chauba, Director Art and Culture A. Steve Das Sharma, and NELIT Executive Director T.H. Prameshwar attended the opening day of the seminar. A. Steve Das Sharma assured that the government would take steps to set up in every district of the state. He further underlined on the need of digitalizing old books in Imphal Central Library, since digitalizing Bengali script and Meitei Mayek is an easy job now. On the other hand, T.H. Prameshwar stressed on the value of old books, saying that modern technology cannot beat the pleasure of reading books of yesteryears. A two-day international Meitei Pangal pre-convention colloquium was organized by All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee Amukok at City Convention Center in Imphal today. Altogether, 28 delegates from Bangladesh, Jiribam, and Assam attended the program. Amukok President S.M. Jalal said that the committee was formed in 2000 with the principal objective to unite the Meitei Muslims who fled Manipur and scattered in different places during the 7 years devastation 1819 to 1826. He also said that the committee will extend all assistance and cooperation to bring peace and harmony in the state.
Convention asina piningiba message maruaina Manipur lariba ichilina oiba tongan ba community singi marakta thajanaba amasung nungsinaba aikhoi amatu oiba lipullaba sagatpagi lambida suma convention asina achauba adugamba influence ama piba ngamgani haibagi thajajaba loinana akhoi Manipur da yamna tangdu laitaba amasung shanti oiba akhoi tungi asa tauningai oiba adugamba Manipur amakak langnanabagi lambida suma convention asige message asina yamna kanaba adugamba message ama hengani haina khoina thajajaba do nasige convention asina sungsoi soidan hengani.
President of Irabot Foundation Thongam Ajit today expressed unhappiness over affluent people of the state owing most of the agricultural land in the state. Talking to media at Manipur Press Club Imphal, he further stated that construction of building and other structures in agricultural land areas should be stopped by complying with the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014 should be followed. Thongam Ajit underlined the need for a proper scrutiny of land records.
Inkol onba on the bigi matang chida inkol on bigi matang do 2014 gi mamang dadi yagani adu matung dadi yaroi haiba pot nama lai pose masigi posi aku irawat foundation oina di masi strictly sungya ya do pot nama khoi leijari hana degi hona lawpham mayamak kandu ngasi bokta lakhrabani aduga karingba sarkar khara lakpa matam khara lakpa asina akoida pumang mamagi pot nama miyam singsi da tungi vision udaba pot nama thamnabigi posam lakko se masi si akoi check tabata ka oi aduga masina maram oidana ain hajaning badi haujik lawpham kan ba haibisi matang da miyam punamak mikup naung singna leiba maru oi darka oi maramdi achauba sidi state ki issue mo oibagi phibam da tawdba yadra posa amani.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. Coming up next, we have news on Longmi Shinmi Apun Loop Losal, Manipur launches poster campaign on strawberry recycling, organic soil for organic crop.
Lengsin bidau. Pangbiragani mafam asida makhal kaya gi genuine oiba imported amasung Indian brand gi fitness and bodybuilding gi supplements sing. Loina na Indian brand Green X Nutrition gi distributors oizari. Ngasimang Lengsin Biro Anti-Nutrition Store Iron Gym, Singzamay Sapam Laikai near Singzamay Parking. Contact us at 730-8692-560. SV Gadwell School, Hautal Thangjam Khuro, Imphal Espangi Road presents Run Gadwell Run, a cross-country road with the theme Believe in Yourself on Sunday the 15th of December 2019. Why we run? Mind cleaning, time for ourselves, time with friends, teaches us to keep moving forward. Lastly, to believe that you can achieve what you have dreamed of. Adongi gari edu mangkini haibagi hojikti mipainingai oidre. Subnatagi lupa lising ani chamwa piba Vedlock hairiba vehicle anti-theft lock asina irai laina ngakthok pangamle. Device installation su free oijagani. Ngasimang Lengsin Biro Kulhu Techno Solution Friends Colony Mantripukri Imphal. Buy online at kulhu.com. Phone number 70051178881 natraga 9615227146. Sunday open. Timing 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba tawjari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizariba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa, hospital dagi yumda puthaba, hospital amadagi hospital amada puba, yum thangnariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lawba, loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yarba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak sep tawshin biu aikhoi gi contact number 920-598-7988 natraga Play Store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
The Chopstick Buddies, Authenticity of China, now at Imphal. The Chopstick Buddies is a corner store in the Brew Bags family, recognized for its classic Chinese foods, personalized atmosphere, excellent service and genial staff members. We offer a range of vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods prepared by expert chefs using fresh and quality ingredients. Please come and visit for the best Chinese cuisines at Imphal, Soibam Laikai Jenims Road, Porompat, Imphal East, or contact us at 8731847066.
Welcome back after the break. Longmi Shinmi Apun Loop Losal, Manipur has launched a poster campaign on straw recycling, organic soil for organic crop. Talking to media, Losal President M. Churamani stressed on the importance of recycling straw for making organic fertilizer. He also urged farmers to refrain from burning straws.
knowledge lejaraba even akoina literature oina anamba document oina bawo semtokna thamaba har kamai semgani tilhak hida kamai semgani haibna chingba aduga madugi mana masing mahi merong pananabgi tonic kamai semgani haibna chingba masigi khangjariba kharase miyam sidega khanghalaka nati organic farming tawbagi mai pakodo soidana lakani haibgi thajabdu sum thamjage.
On the other hand, Losal Secretary M. Sunil said age-old techniques are not inferior to modern technologies in improving crop yield. He added that use of chemical fertilizers are harmful to one's health.
Green revolution san iro yam lo to kanda mo yuria mapanda gi marum rang theta hubani ada matam da moina green revolution putho ko pa da last green revolution putho ise la len ro hairi masini positi america da thokra bani haji prithvi da organic tori ba jaga sing je putho han da mo sinde sara hele ba kasule te ada ko le portion ne hek har on thoga sin na matam da putho chhan da ro ada masi ko da rong kan sem piri che yam lan bani ha basima ko na saka dang ha.
In a fraudulent case, one Tongram Rokisan Singh, son of T. Ratan Singh of Tangriban Hijam Diwan Hizam Laikai, Imphal impersonated one of the directors of Lamjingba Group and took money from a woman on the pretext of providing job at Lamjingba Group. The victim is identified as one Tokchom Priti of Komba Ketri Laikai. The incident happened a few days ago. The imposter even gave a fake job offering letter to the victim. It is also learned that Rokisan admitted to his crime and told Lamjingba Group that he will take the responsibility for the wrongdoing. A 54-year-old woman has gone missing since December 20. She is the wife of one MD Nasiruddin of Ghaziabad, presently staying at Hatta Golapati, Imphal. She left home without informing to the family members, and her whereabouts is still unknown to the family since then. In this regard, a missing report has been filed at Porompat Police Station. A social audit Gram Sabha for MGNREGA 2018-19 and PMAYG 2016-17 for Krai Nandaibam Laikai Gram Panchayat was held today at Lining Puthiba Sanglan under Manipur Social Audit Agency. The Gram Sabha was chaired by Salam Biren of Krai Nandaibam Laikai Gram Panchayat. Pradhan Y. Chitra, Jila Parishad member A. Olendro, ward member and representatives of Manipur Social Audit Agency were also present during the Social Audit Gram Sabha. At the event, Block Development Officer of Haingang Block, Alangbam Amuthoi, said that such audit is mandatory to bridge the gap between the public and the leaders. Amuthoi added that development can be achieved when the leaders and the people go hand in hand.
Financial year sida different stages da koigi panchayat level da development gidamakta block level sing si gi tokhiba work program sing asi jana asengba mak yengbirakan na koi tawriba sing si ka penbi da ba mayam sing che de koina tawjari sing sida kayam na progress leiba haibadugi asengba prajana phaujaba unna yengchan minabagi adugumba yamna chawkraba yamna role yamna chawba program amani.
Iramdam Miyamgi Apunba Khorjai Lob Imakol today released 3 books at Manipur Hindi Parisad Old Assembly Road. The books were Shiba, Karigumbadasu Nangna Kanadasu Asumna, a storybook by Kraijam Nimai Charan Singh, Hiai Roll, a culture book based by Yai School Khairakpam, and Nongju Nangna, a poetry book by Jingambam Sangai Jaubi. Ahead of the Khwai Lakpa Iril Umanglai Irat Tawni ritual to be performed on January 5th next year on the riverbank of Barak River in Kasar district of Assam, a team comprising members of Khwai Lakpa Iril Umanglai Ngakse Loop security personnel of Jirimuk Outpost led by Superintendent of Police Jiribam and Mubi Singh today cleaned the venue of the coming religious event. Secretary of Khwai Lakpa Iril Ngakse Loop and Sadanda Singh informed media that the cleanliness drive was conducted to ease inconveniences of visitors during the upcoming event.
Iril Umanglai
ngaksen lup amasung jiri baungi kai khunazaraba SP sahib ki achauba tim amaga loinana lambi ase khoi hoji chem saba kurang ayam basaruk loisalagle maram aduna mamangi haugi basahi da lambi gi khachitang nungai taba puningda awaba laifibadu handakti kariguma makhalgi chingnaba amatta laitana akoi jiri bamdagina akoi khoirakpa irial taba mafam jiri muk asibawbada jiri turen isil asibawbada gari thoujandana achauba macha makhal kya gi gari ikom komna nungaina sangba yare akoi sem saba yam loisalagle.
With an objective to create awareness on sanitation and cleanliness across the country and to fulfill the dream of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, 29-year-old cyclist Louis Das of Mashkowa, Assam set out on a unique journey on October 30 last from Haridwar of Uttarakhand and rode across Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Tripura, Assam and rich Jiribam district of Manipur today. Louis is further proceeding to Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh and later going towards the southern parts of the nation before ending his tour to Haridwar. Speaking to media person, Louis said that he will go through states, school, colleges and villages to spread the masses on use of dustbins to reduce littering and making a healthy society.
मैं हरिद्वार से उत्तराखंड हरिद्वार महायोगी पायलट बाबा जी का आश्रम में रहता हूँ और मैं साइकिल के ज़रिए पूरी भारत यात्रा पे निकल रहा हूँ महामंडल से सिद्धार्थगिरी महाराज जी के सहयोग से। मेरा यही संदेश है, जो गंदगी के कारण लोग बीमार हो रहा है, मर रहा है और जितने भी बीमारी आ रहा है गंदगी से आ रहा है, गंदगी हम लोग ही कर रहा है। तो इसलिए गंदगी को इसमें कमी लाने के लिए हम लोग अगर कूड़ादान का इस्तेमाल करें और कूड़ादान के इस्तेमाल के ज़रिए गंदगी को ख़त्म कर सकता है। जो स्वच्छ भारत का सपना है, इस सपने भी पूरा हो सकता है।
Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Chasingi marakta miyamna khangnaraba Gambhiras Valley Strong City Anoba chagi mana singdagi saba asingba amadi mahau leiraba Valley Strong Tea asibu mahau lobinabagi ngasimak leibiu anoba technique kaya sizinaduna semzariba Gambhiras Valley Strong Tea. City asi gram chama chani yankai amadi chamangagi peketa makal kaya thokna fanganjari. Cha asigi mahau lobinabagidamak ngasimak leibiu Gambhiras Valley Strong City.
Takshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Takshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass, duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Takshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session, eligibility 12 pass, duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Takshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020, eligibility 12 pass and appeared, duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry, if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Porompat, opposite Doordasan Kendra, Imphal, recognized by BOSEM and COSEM. Admission open for the academic session 2020. for the classes pre-nursery to class 8. With the completion of 30 years of service in the field of education, school is pleased to announce special concession for admission to nursery and pre-nursery. For more details, please contact Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Porompat, opposite 20St Kendra, Imphal.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changnai na coaching tohanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back after the break. Amid the raging protests across the country, including scores of violent incidents against the Citizenship Amendment Act, the Union Home Ministry yesterday released 5 clauses under the Citizenship Act to acquire Indian citizenship, a media report said today. According to the Citizenship Act 1955, under the first clause, citizenship by birth under Article 5 of the Constitution provides that any person who has domicile in India on January 26, 1950 or who was born in the territory of India is a citizen of India, the notification said. Anyone, either of whose parents was born in the territory of India or any person born in India on or after January 26, 1950, but before July 1, 1987 is a citizen of India by birth, said the government's notification. Any person born in India between July 1, 1987 and December 3, 2004, and either of whose parents is a citizen of India, is also a citizen of India by birth. For a person born after December 3, 2004, the notification said, both whose parents are citizens of India or one of them is an illegal immigrant at the time of his birth and the other is a citizen of India shall also be a citizen of India by birth. For the second of citizenship by descent, a person born outside India on or after January 26, 1950, but before December 10, 1992 shall be citizen of India by descent if his father was a citizen of India at the time of birth. North Korea lashed back at the United States for taking issue with its human rights record today, saying Washington's malicious word would only aggravate tensions on the Korean peninsula, according to media reports. The United Nations General Assembly on Wednesday last condemned North Korea's long-standing and ongoing violations of human rights in annual resolutions sponsored by dozens of countries, including the United States, that Pyongyang UN envoy reject. A bill has been introduced in the U.S. House of Representatives to promote the legacy of father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. Introducing the bill, America's legendary civil rights leader, Congressman John Lewis shot a budgetary allocation of $150 million for the next 5 years, which is $30 million every year. The House Bill, H.R. 5517, which has also been moved to mark the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, affirms the friendship between India and the U.S. and honors the contributions of Gandhi and King. The bill also proposes establishing a Gandhi King Development Foundation, which will be created by the USAID under the Indian laws. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. CM attends Diamond Jubilee celebration of Namdalong. Victims of negligence in administration are ordinary people, says Minister Jayant-Kumar. and will take steps to set up library for every district of Manipur, assures A. Sivdas Sarma. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.